Back. All right, so let's go ahead and let's add in the assistant editor here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to manual and we're going to go to view controller.swift because sometimes it doesn't pop up. In any event, we need to drag over these items and we're going to say this is an outlet, okay? And this outlet's going to be LBL question, okay? This one here is going to be LBL total correct. Very simple stuff. And then likewise here, we're going to say LBL correct, incorrect. And what this is going to do is that we can now go and change the properties of these outlets here. So we can change the text, color, etc. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say outlet for this button here, because we need to change the button text. I'm going to go to btn answer. And what this is going to do is that this btn answer is going to change the text of that button here. Now I've copied that btn answer, so I can just simply paste it in there again. And that just makes things easier. It might not save the most amount of time. It just, again, makes things easier. And you also want to take the extra second to make sure that all of the buttons are hooked up correctly. So button 0 is with answer 0, etc. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the actions here. And we want to make sure it's of type NS button. And we're going to say btn answer 0 action. Okay, and what that's going to do is that that's going to allow us to when the button is clicked, we can go and add in some code. This is going to be btn answer 1 action, and then this one's going to be btn button or btn answer 2 action, and I'm putting in the word action at the end to make sure that I know that it's an action. All right, and then you can see that it's NS button and btn answer 3 action. So when you click the first button, all this highlighted code will get run. And then when we want to change the text of this, we can simply just call LBL question, and this will make sense very shortly. This concludes the tutorial.